If you need a break from the crowds of Harajuku, right across the bridge is one of Tokyo's most famous shrines. There are a number of different customs you should make sure you follow when you're visiting a shrine. They differ from shrine to shrine, but this is how it happens at Meiji Jingu. When you first walk in, make sure to wash your hands and then rinse out your mouth and spit. Meiji Jingu was built for the late Meiji Emperor, who was responsible for a lot of the modernization in Japan today. When you go into a shrine, you bow twice, clap twice, make your wish, and then bow one more time. If you forget anything, everyone's going to be doing it, so just try to follow along as best you can. This is an emma. They're little wooden prayer blocks that you write your wish on and then you hang them up.